Hello kids, welcome to our channel. It's Halloween!
Oh wow, look up behind you. What's that, Santino?
Follow me and let's see.
Okay, let's go. I'm following you.
Look at these decorations.
Wow, Halloween decorations.
It's a pumpkin.
That looks
Should I wear
scary.
it and show you?
Okay, wear it. Let me see you.
That looks scary.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's put that right back there. And let's see. Whoa, look at those pumpkins. They're glowing.
Oh wow, they're a bit scary,
look
huh?
At that spider. It's so scary.
What's that? Okay.
It changes colors. Wow, look at that.
Oh wow, it's very nice, huh?
And also we have 3 books. First,
3 books.
we
Let's
have
see this.
Mr.
Man,
Little Mrs. Halloween Party. We have Creaky Castle. I'm not afraid of Halloween.
Oh wow.
Which one do you want to read?
They're really nice, huh? Which one shall we start first?
Let's start first with this one.
Which one? Creaky Castle?
Creaky Castle. You're going to love this one.
Okay. Shall we start? Sit down.
Creaky Castle.
Creaky Castle by Jane Clarke and Christyan Fox. Dare you visit Creaky Castle when the day becomes the night? Dare you find out what's inside? Are you ready for a fright? Welcome to Creaky Castle. Enter if you dare. Go on, tiptoe through the twilight. It's exciting to explore. Whose gleaming eyes are watching you? What lurks behind the door? Night is very happy that the day comes to an end. He's putting out the flags to welcome all his friends. As you enter Creaky Castle, keep your eyes open wide. What is that spooky shadow? Why does it flap and glide? Ghost glides in from her turret and shimmers down the stairs. She knows where she's going. Follow if you dare. Mind the step. Down in the deep dark dungeon, strange noises. Tap tap, tap tap, tap tap. Dare you go and check it out? What if it's a trap? The skeletons are dancing, they are rattling their feet. They make a jolly jiggle as they play a funky beat. From the kitchen fireplace abandoned long ago, an eerie cloud is billowing. What is it? Do you know? A friendly dragon's breathing fire, as dragons love to do. He's sizzling the sausages and boiling witch's brew. In the bygone bathroom, weird wild beast is prowling. Is it out to get you? Can you hear it howling? A gentle werewolf singing beneath the silvery moon, serenading sparkly stars with his unearthly tune. What's inside the bedroom? Something's rustling in the chest. Bats, lots of bats. Vampire is dressing up in his Sunday best. Creaky Castle echoes with spooky, joyful cries. Pull the curtains open and step inside. Surprise! Welcome to Creaky Castle. At night time, no one sleeps. There's spooky food to eat and drink and games of hide and creep. Have fun at Creaky Castle. Party through the night. Dare you stay until the morning? Or are you scared of light?
If you like this video, subscribe. Push the like button. Hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.